Hello students, welcome to St. Thomas School. I Suresh sir welcomes you in class 5th revision lecture of our EVS syllabus. Dear children, nowadays our course is going on, so I request you all of you to look at the video very properly. How much have you learned? That we have to write down in our section. So, lesson wise, you can write down the summary as what you have learned, lessons topic. You can write yourself. I am also presenting PDF afterwards. First point is what happens if water is exhausted, all the trees get dried, there is no garbage at all, pesticides are sprayed in puddles, your friend does not help you. These are the common questions. If water is exhausted, the life will be difficult because air water is a basic thing what we need it in our regular environment. If it get dried, then we cannot get oxygen. If there is no garbage at all, then there won't be any disease spreading microorganisms and we can stay safe. Pesticides are sprayed in puddles, then puddles which get affected by the pesticide. So there will be a many queries regarding the pesticide. Fertilizer is used by the farmers in puddles. Fertilizer sprayed by us in a different kind of water reserve areas in order to remove the microorganisms, harmful microorganisms from it. But overusing of it is also very harmful. Your friend does not help you. Then what will you feel that you have to write down? In activity, teacher will show you the seats and you have to classify into monocot and dicot. I repeat once again, monocot means mono means one and di means two cotting seats. Next is historical places, tourist places of surrounding to the Maua, surrounding to the Bhavnagar district. Dear students, please remember whenever we are doing any activities, then we have to note down about our Bhavnagar district only. I repeat, our Bhavnagar district is considered for the answer. Many kids and many parents have a confusion that it is a out of syllabus question. No, it is a regular activity based syllabus. So we have to note down what kind of business are developed places which are visited by maximum number of people. In Bhavnagar district, maximum number of people visiting along Bhavnagar city for business purpose Maua dehydration. 3 points are key points. Sihor for rerolling, Alang, Bhavnagar, Maua, Sihor, Talaja, etc. where the business points develop. Terrestrial, aquatic, arboreal and amphibians you can directly write from my PDF. Think and say, from whom do you take the help? From your friends, parents, teachers, and your relatives. What happens if sweeper is not there? From whom do you take the help? Many answers will come. Many supporters, workers are working. Teacher, doctor, engineer, sweeper, electrician, plumber, mechanic. What kind of help you offer in the housework? Whom do you help at places other than the home? How police help us, that we have to note down. So dear children, here I am ending my lesson. You have to think over it and please write it down very well. Afterwards I will give you my own answer. You just write in a rough notebook. Fair work I shall provide you by the PDF. Have a good day. Please read, write and learn very well my question answer series. I am giving you guidance for the next upcoming unit test. Thank you.